Hey guys, and welcome to the Strategy Lab video. In today's video I will finish my Euro-Yen backtest, and later I will analyze the results. The time frame is 30 minutes and the swing identification algorithm is Williams range, so you can see the details of this oscillator here. Okay, let's continue. My last trade was recorded as 2 p.m. 8 March 2018. I think it is this one. Yes, 8 March 2018. So the next one is winner, then we have a loser and the loser. I'm testing 3 targets at the same time, so if it touches the green line, it is a winner. It does not touch the second line and it does not touch the third line, but it reverses and goes to the red line, so it means that first target is a winner, and then we have loser. In my fast backtest utility, it is the indicator that is typing the results of the patterns into Excel spreadsheet file. There is no such understanding as a winner or a loser. There is an understanding of a reversal or a continuation. So in this case we had one first target reversal, and in this case we had 3 targets continuation. Okay, so let me record this trade. So I'm typing time, then stop, and then it goes to winner, loser. The next one is time, and then it is 3 times loser. Here we have 3 times loser. The next one is 3 times loser. Well, let me redraw this pattern. So it is 3 times loser. Then we go next. You see the C point was violated, but the pattern is still correct. It is 3 times winner. Back to automated recognition. Then we have 3 times winner, and here let me isolate this pattern to see what happened. We have one time winner and 2 times loser. Here we have 1 time winner, 2 times loser. Here we have 3 times winner, again 3 times loser, 3 times continuation, not a loser of course, simply continuation. It is only a loser if you are trading it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, perfect. Then continue, 1 reversal, 2 continuation. Isolating this one, 1 reversal, 2 continuations, 3 continuations. I am using my keyboard. It is very convenient to record the results of the trades. So it is very simple. I press the B point to initiate the recording mode, then I press the pattern, click on the pattern, and the data about the pattern is copied, and then I press a continuation or reversal result, and the data is recorded into Excel spreadsheet file. All the data, including time, stop, entry, and the B point ratio, C point ratio, so all the patterns can be later be filtered, and you can make your decisions either to trade these patterns as reversal patterns or continuation patterns. This is a revolutionary stuff that, based on the pattern properties, based on its ratios, you can now get a 100% objective information if the pattern is going to reverse or is likely to continue. Two times. I need to zoom it out. Okay. Nothing here. This one invalidated the A point. Then we have 3 times winner, small one. Isolating this one. 3 time continuation. Here we have this large one, which is 1 time winner, 2 times continuation. This one is 3 time continuation. This one is 3 time continuation. And this one is 3 times reversal. This one is 1 time reversal, 2 times continuation. Isolating this pattern. It is 1 time reversal, 2 times continuation. The larger pattern was not completed. 1 time reversal, 2 times continuation. Then I think I need to draw this huge one. It is 1 time reversal to 3 times reversals. Then we have a pattern this way, which is 2 times reversal, 1 time continuation. This one is 1 reversal, 2 continuations, 3 continuations. Okay, 3 reversals. Well, this is 3 reversals. It is March 2019, so we are close to present date. It is 1 reversal, 2 continuations. This one is 2 reversals, 1 continuation. This is 1 reversal, then later 2 and 3 reversals. This is 3 continuations. Okay, I need to redraw it. 1, 2, 3. 3 continuations. And this is 2 reversals, 1 continuation. This is 1, 2, 3 reversals. Sorry, need to cancel this. Redraw the pattern. This is 3 continuations, and this is nothing. This is 1 reversal and 2 continuations. Placing 3 targets is absolutely the same as placing 3 trades. Of course, you simply place 3 trades that are 3 times less than your trading position. Or you place 1 position and then you close 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. No difference. Well, that's it. Now let's go to our Excel spreadsheet file. It is stored into open data folder, MQL4 files, and here it is. Unified Godly, WPR, reversal, 3 targets. What was the pair? EURJPY 30. So let me first save this file to let me go here to pending orders, to this one, to UG ratios, to euro dollar. Euro dollar is the one that I already finished, and in WPR I need this 3 targets. Okay, so I have this already created Excel spreadsheet. So I will delete this results, then I will go here and I will copy this results, and I will go back and I will paste values here. Okay, so you can see the results are a bit different from euro dollar, and then I will save it as to where euro dollar UG ratios euro yen. Need to create a new folder that is called WPR, and here inside of this folder I will create UGWPR EURJPY 30 minutes 3 targets reversal. So the rest is absolutely the same, and let me rename it as WPR here. Okay, now it is WPR EURJPY 30 minutes 3 targets reversal. Then I need to go back to my results, and I will do the following filter. I will go here and I will filter target 1 only. 3 targets is not a very insightful information, so I will delete this one, the previous that we pasted. I will choose the target 1 results, then I will go here and I will paste values, then I will go lower and I will delete the lines that are not necessary. Okay, delete them, and then I will look at the results. So 46% probability of hitting a loss. I mean, it is 46% probability of continuation. So here's the pattern. You have this, you have here, you have here. So if you place 1-to-1 stop loss to take profit, you have 46% probability to move here versus 53% probability to move here. So if you trade it inverse way, you will have a positive expectancy. If you trade it as reversal, I mean standard way, you will have negative expectancy, and the negative expectancy is this one, minus 0.05. Okay, no spread is included here. I will add the spread a bit later. Let me now go to optimization tab, and it tells me what are winning patterns and what are losing patterns based on their ratios. The total pattern is called the unified one, unified godly, because it has all kind of ratios, and the different patterns have maybe different names. I don't have any names for these patterns. I simply distinguish them using the B point and C point. So I like to name it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I like to name it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for me it is 1, 1, pattern 1B, 1C, или B1, C1, or this pattern is actually a B1, C2, and this pattern is B1, C3, and so on and so forth. So this one is B3, C4. So I name patterns this way. No godlies, no bats, no other stuff of animal names or whatever. So this one has no patterns, that's why it should have no fill. Okay, this one is a losing pattern, winner, winner, winner. This one, 50% should be red, because it will turn into a losing pattern if you include commissions and spread. You have negative expectancy. These ones are red. Okay, this one above 50% should be green. Yes. This 38, 33, 40 and 43, they all should be red. Okay, this one should be green, red. Okay, 60 should be green because it is above 50. 60 should be green. This one is red, green, red. This one should be green. This one is green, okay, red, and this one should be red as well. So now we have this, okay. These patterns are those that have a higher probability for a reversal, yes, and these patterns that are red ones are those that have a higher probability for a continuation. And as I typically say, just trade the standard way if the cell is green and trade the inverse way if the cell is red. And if you do it this way, let's calculate what is your probability. So we have it this way, the E2, we have no pattern into E2 cell, so let me delete this cell from calculations, and in this one we should delete E3. Okay, here we should calculate winners. Here we should calculate losers. We calculate winners, we calculate losers. Just what is a loser, what is a stop loss? It turns into your take profit if you trade the inverse way. That's why we're calculating them as winners. Okay, here, okay, this one should be dragged here. Okay, this one should be dragged to the left, to the left, to the left. So this way you stay on the high probability side. Okay, so let us see what is the overall result. It is 59%, almost 60% probability of hitting your win if you trade it using these ratios. With MPS you can save this into a special Excel spreadsheet file, and you can attach this file, and MPS will automatically reverse the levels, so you don't need to use this reversal button or whatever. Yes, it will automatically reverse the levels based on your results. If you are interested, watch my video about this. It is called Teaching MPS to Understand Your Backtest Results, something of this kind. Okay, so this one is ready, and I should name it, save it as William% range, and it should be not 3 targets but only take profit 1. So these are take profit 1 results. Let us go back and let us filter from our source file. Let us only choose the target 2 results. Yes, target 2, and let me also choose them, copy them, and let me go here and paste them. Okay, target 2 results also have a negative expectancy, because to generate money with your take profit as 2 times greater than your stop loss, you should have at least 33% probability in case you don't calculate those spreads and commissions and other stuff. If you will calculate them as well, you should have even greater probabilities. 30% is not enough to generate money. Okay, and let me see if we have some lines that should be deleted. No, it is the same number of trades, 733 trades. And let's go here. In this cell, as you understand, if we have a 33% and more of probability, let me draw it for you. So here's the pattern, here's the stop loss, and here's the target. It is twice greater than the stop loss. Just imagine it is twice greater. This is 1, this is 2. Okay, so in this situation, yes, for your target to be hit, yes, if you will aim at your target to be 0, to have a zero-sum game, you should at least have the 33% probability. It means one third of your trades should be winners. And yes, if you will 1/3 win 2 and plus other 2/3 you win 1, overall you will have 0. Yes, so 1/3 multiplied 2 plus 2/3 multiply 1, you have 0. So you should have at least 33% winner if you aim at the second target. But if you want to trade inverse way, so you will place stop loss here and take profit here, then you should have lower than 33% probability. You see, if you have lower probability, you'd better trade the inverse way, placing your stop loss here, like this. Your stop loss twice greater than your take profit. Okay, so let us highlight all those things. So 100 is greater, this one is less, so it should be deleted. No, it should be red. 60 is okay, 25 is no, this one is not okay, this one is not okay, this one is okay, 40% is okay, that is greater than 33. This one no, 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 this one is okay, no, no, okay, okay, this one is okay, okay, this no, and this one no, no, this okay, this one is okay, no, no, this one is okay. 35 is greater than 33, so this means that you trade it standard way. This one is no, 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 and this one should be no as well. So here are the patterns that you should trade using the Williams percent range swing identification algorithm. So in case of red cells, you trade them as reversals, as continuations. So it means that you buy here, place your stop loss here, and your target is here. In this case, you will have a higher probability of your price, not the higher probability, but the expectancy is positive if you trade it this way. Okay, and in these trades, let's say in these patterns, the let's say B4 C1 or B5 C2 patterns, or B5 C4 patterns and B5 C5 patterns, they have a high probability for reversals. So this is based on this result. Okay, trade them here, take profit and stop loss here if they are red, and trade them standard way if they are green, placing stop loss here, take profit here. Just simply reverse the trades. Perfect. The second Excel spreadsheet is done. Let me go to save it as the same folder, and let me name it as take profit 2. So this way I have this second Excel spreadsheet. And now let me go back to my source file and let me filter the trades to have trade number 3, which is take profit 3. Let me choose these files, choose these trades, going back to this stuff. 733 trades as well. Again, we have a negative expectancy, so it means that should trade them the inverse way in most cases. And here in this situation, when you place your risk to reward as 3-1, let's say it is 3 and this one is 1, yes, so for you to be a winner, to have a positive expectancy, you should have at least 25% probability. So 25% probability is 1/4. If you win only one time, you win $3, and you lose 3 times $1, so your $1 multiplied 3. So totally you have, sorry, not plus but minus, it should be minus here. Totally you have 0. You see, because this one is 3, this one is -3, the total expectancy is 0. Yes, one time you win $3 and then 3 times you lose $1. Totally you have 0. So this is a zero-sum game, 25%. That's why we should mark them all as losers if they are less than 25%. Okay, 28 is okay, 30 is okay, 30%, then 33 is okay, 23 no, 20 is no, should be greater than 25. Okay, then we have 31 okay, 26 okay, 33 good, 20 20 20 26 okay, 25 90 should be green, 11 27 26 okay, then we have 0, then we have 12 28 is here. Okay, so you see, depending on the target, depending on your stop loss, and depending on the ratio of the pattern, you can have absolutely different results. So some trades are traded inverse way, some trades are traded the opposite way. Okay, the overall probability of this pattern is 77%. 77%. If you always trade against the pattern, it will be 77%. And let me save it as take profit 3. Take profit 3. Okay, so let me also do this calculation. So what is your probability of trading in this way? Yes, it is nothing but simply your historical probability that you will have if you trade it, but probability does not matter very much here. 56% probability of your trades to be winners. Sometimes your trades will be small trades because they are inverse trades. In these cases, they are 3 times smaller than your take profits, and sometimes your trades will be large winners because they are 3 times greater than your stop loss. So trade them, again, trade them standard way if they are green, and inverse way if they are red. In this way you will always have a positive expectancy. Okay, so did I save it as take profit 3? Yes, I did. Okay, within percent range. And now let me open some other Excel spreadsheet. Let me close this one. Don't save it. I need to go where? I will go to EURJPY ratios, Euro Yen, just to compare the take profit 3 of Prex and take profit 3 of within percent range. So I'll simply arrange them side by side, and what we have, Okay. Okay. Well, there is no tendency yet. It looks like this zone and this zone of patterns has a tendency to win, and also we have this zone and this zone of the pattern to have a tendency to win. Of course, need to compile them, or all the result of all the algorithms, and in this case, you know, the true probability of the pattern, overall probability of the pattern. Simply having this algorithm and that algorithm is not saying much. Okay, if we will go to Euro-dollar, I already compiled one, and it is named Euro-dollar take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3, and the algorithms are those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 algorithms were tested, and then I compiled the results, the overall results. So for the target 1, the overall results are these ones. It has 53% probability for a win and 46% for a loss. And of course, you see no 0.3 of B point was included. That's why we have empty patterns here. Okay, so you have more winning patterns on Euro-dollar. This is Euro-dollar 30-minute. A bit different, and you see the overall statistical sample size is much greater, so the results become more reliable. I remind you that they are all algorithms compiled together. So this is the take profit 1, the take profit 2 goes this way. So in most cases it should be traded the opposite way, almost always. So Euro-dollar is only given one small reactions, boom, and then reverses. So this is everything that you expect from Euro-dollar take profit 1. And if you switch to take profit 2, yes, you wait for take profit 2, this is your waste of money. So don't trade take profit 2 on Euro-dollar, never trade it. So aim only at take profit 1. But on Euro-yen, you saw that you have more green cells for take profit 2 on Euro-yen, and this gives you different tools, gives you different approach and different understanding. So you can aim for take profit 2 and take profit 3 on Euro-yen, but on Euro-dollar you can see that it is not very it is not very profitable. And the last one is take profit 3, so I will close this one and I will go to take profit 3, and again it is very red. Only 2 pattern variations are showing some kind of positive expectancy, but on average you'd better trade it inverse way. So if you have this pattern, this one is your 3 times and this one is 1 time, so you simply place stop loss here. It is 3 times greater than your take profit, but because you have this enormous win percentage, which is 83%, of course you have a positive expectancy. So 83 times you win $1, and what is the rest? 17 times, yes, you lose $3. So overall you have 83 minus 17 by 3. What is that result? 17 by 3, 51. So you have 83 minus 51, so your net result is 32. Pretty good. 32 is your net result. It is much greater if you have a 60% probability when you trade one-to-one. Let me draw it for you. So you have a pattern, yes, you are placing your trade as one-to-one, so we have 1, 2, 3 cells, 1, 2, 3 cells. So now it looks one-to-one, yes. So imagine that you have a 60% probability of a win and you trade it only this way. So imagine that 60 times you win 1, yes, and 40 times you lose 1. So your overall result is 20, yes. And if you remember from the previous result, previous example, yes, you had 83 minus 51, you had 32, yes. So trading the inverse way is much more profitable than trading the standard way, even if the strategy is 60% correct and blah blah blah. So for this to be 32, I think we should have 65 minus, it should be more than 65, it should be 66, I suppose. So if this one is 66 and this one is 34, so in this case you have a 32 result, yes. It is the same as having 66, 1/3 generating 1. You see how powerful is this inverse strategy on euro dollar. Okay, although your stop loss is 3 times greater than your take profit, but because of this enormous win percentage, it gives you very good results. Okay guys, hope you liked this video, hope you did some notes. Maybe you will use this results for your trading. Maybe I motivated you to do your own market research, because it's not that black and white. We have these situations, we have those situations, and maybe you will re-evaluate your trading approach. And if you are interested in MPS, and if you want to do the backtest as fast as I do, if you want to later trade only those trades that are actually were tested, if you want to trade something that you tested, it's kind of logical that you use in your real-time trading, you use the same algorithm that you've been using in your backtesting, yes. If you expect for your backtest results to be repeated, you of course welcome to visit my website www.mpstrade.com. If you go to education section of my website, you can find more of my market research results and some examples of my real-time trading sessions. And until then, good luck and good trading. I hope to see you soon.